This small video will show you the basic functions of the single joystick controller for a plow and a wing. To lift the plow, it is active without touching the buttons on the top. This is down plow, towards you would be up plow. When you activate the left toggle switch, the up-down function then becomes the wing control for the front of the wing. So this way is now the wing. The front of the wing down is forward, front of the wing up is backwards. Front down, forward. Front up, towards you. Please align the front of the wing with the yellow marker when you intend to travel with the vehicle with the wing upright. That will assure that the front wheel, when turning sharply to the right, does not interfere with the wing. To operate the rear of the wing, you use the same left toggle. Now what you have is rear of the wing down to your right, and up to your left. Up. If you operate while the button's switched, the left toggle's on. If you operate diagonal, now you operate both functions simultaneously. So up the wing, front and rear, by going diagonally the bottom left-hand corner. Down the wing by going opposite. You'll find that the joystick is proportional. The more you push, the quicker a function goes. So be careful and get used to using the controller before you pull it aggressively. The last function of importance is the wing slide for high shelving. First, we'll get the wing into the proper working position. We'll raise the front up. Always front first before rear when you're raising. So we're going to go nice and high this time. You see the wing up at the front. Then we'll raise the rear. Same button. Raised, as you can see. Now, if you go to the right toggle, now up and down like this becomes the wing brace. That would be down this direction. Towards you will be up with the wing braces. So what we'll do is we'll try and raise the wing braces. You're going towards you with right toggle. Right toggle. Forward is down wing braces.